I'm High Plains Camper, and today we got some work to do in the back of the truck. So the warm season is upon us. I don't think we're gonna have many more nights that dip below freezing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull everything out of here. I'm gonna dewinterize the back of the truck, and we're gonna set it up for summer camping. So come along with me. Let's get her done. So as you can see, we got Brutus with us, of course. In case you guys didn't see, he was the star of Campfire Reflections for last Sunday's video, if you want to go back and check that one out. We just got to get everything out of here. I'm going to wash my carpet. I'm going to, take the sleeping bag out. We're going to wash all the linens in here and whatnot. And we're going to give her a good vacuum down there and get it all ready for some warm weather camping. I tell you what. Sheesh. First things first, let's get all this junk out of here, I suppose. Oh, sorry about that, Brutus. So this, the sleeping bag will go away for the summer. I have a nice big old blanket we're going to use to sleep, and just look at how dirty my mattress is. So I'm just going to have to figure out where to put all this junk here. But I'm going to wash all the linens, like I said. But the main mission right now is to get this bed out and get all the junk from under there, out of there, because we do need to get this carpet up and spray it off with the hose. So yeah, let's get everything out of there. Camping essentials right there. Look at that. 4 things in one hand, 2 hands. 4 things in 2 hands. This dang old mattress out of here. In case you haven't seen this mattress, this is a 5-inch thick mattress. It has a super soft side or like a more firm side. I tend to keep it on the firm side, so we'll set that to the side here and get this bed out now. So guys, this thing I'm planning on redoing sometime this summer. Let me show you the main reason. Yeah. I mean, it's still holding up fine, but look at this down here. I obviously need to fix that. So we will move this guy for now over to here. Now I can yank that carpet out. Oh, cool. So on my last trip, guys, I lost one of my rubber wedding rings. I just dang old found it in there. Look at that. We found it. Yeah. Put that back on there. Yeah, now I'm double ringed. Now you guys can see how dirty my carpet is. Like even under the bed, look at that. There's like crumbs from snacks from the winter. And yeah, so we're gonna get that out. We're gonna spray it off with the hose. This carpet is a bed rug. It's specifically made for this truck. It's made by a company called Bed Rug, and yeah, it's been awesome. And it's totally washable, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it off with the hose to give it the wash. Yeah. All right, Brutus, you're gonna have to hang out somewhere else for now. We'll put you over here, way down the pillows. Oh yeah. And that sucker out. Look at all that junk on there. Yeah. Sheesh. And there's just tons of sand in here from all the lake trips I did over the winter. I'm on the other side of the house where the hose lives. If you guys haven't seen, I got my awesome daily driver right here. I love that truck. Hi. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, folks. It does not get better than that. Getting windier by the minute here. Spray this sucker off here. I think that should be good. What do you say? Yeah. Sweet. I'll just set this sucker up here in the sun to drip dry. Yeah, there's still like some grass and stuff stuck in here, but I probably got all the dirt out of there that was in there from all my lake adventures. I don't know if it's good that I'm dripping water on my bed frame, but it'll dry out eventually, won't it? Yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a load of laundry going. I got all my linens, my pillowcases, my mattress cover, and my blanket that I'm gonna be using for summer. So, all right, so as you can see, folks, we have a little bit of dirt to clean up in here. In case you guys haven't seen, so I cut out a bunch of like workout mats to put in the divots in the truck bed, just to make the floor more even when I'm standing on it and whatnot, so I won't feel all that stuff under the carpet. Yeah, it's worked out pretty dang well, I tell you what. It's got me a Home Depot bucket head for my shop vac. It works pretty dang good. Super efficient and cost efficient as well. All right. Let's get her done, I suppose. Alright, so I got all the big dirt out of here. Last thing I'm going to do is just hit all the dusty surfaces with some multi-surface cleaner. That'll get it smelling better in here, and it'll get rid of some of this dust. It's funny, you can hear my echo in here without the carpet in here. So we'll get everything dust-free and smelling fresh doing this. Man, this makes me want to put on a Wednesday wig for some reason, being right here, right now. Maybe I'll throw in a clip of that here. Tape isn't sticking. I'm a grown-up now, and I make my own decisions because I'm an adult. Anyways, while I'm back here, I just wanted to point out, if you're in a situation where you feel like there's something wrong with your life and you need to feel better about yourself, just look at me. There's obviously something wrong with this guy. Only time will tell if I'm going to be okay, but I'm trying every day. I'm trying my best, okay? All right. You'll never get all the dust out of a setup like this, but I think I did a pretty dang good job. And it's not stinky in there anymore. Yeah. There's a certain stench you get in there when you've been hanging out in there all winter long. But I'm going to do a couple other little things real quick, and then we'll get her all put back together. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to redo this bed over the summer, but might as well give it a temporary fix for now. If I can get it to line up in there. Let's use a little 2-inch screw. Usually I'd pre-drill a hole in this stuff, but this piece is a lost cause anyway, so. And that'll hold until I get it fixed. I'm gonna get another one for the other side because that actually split it a little more. Sheesh. Get that bad boy in there. Well, dang. This piece is a lost cause. I guess I could just replace this piece now, but it wouldn't be worth it, I don't think. Yeah, well, this carpet dries surprisingly fast. It is completely dry, except there's a little leftover moisture on the edges, but look at that bad boy back in there so we can get the bed back in. Oh yeah. So fresh and so clean. It's like I got a new carpet again, man. Jeez. Alright, now we can get this sleeping platform back in there. Sheesh. I'm gonna be angry if I cut myself on these screws sticking up. Sheesh. There we go. Cool. Get that mattress back on there. Oh, look at that. That's a little broken. I just X'd out all that vacuum I did. Because I set this thing in the freaking dirt. Sheesh. What a nutsack. I just got to put the rest of the junk back in there that I'm going to use for the summer. And wait for my linens to wash.
Please go ahead and hit the thumbs down button.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, it's a couple hours later, but I finally got that dang old laundry done. It's funny, it still kind of smells like the nasty, you know, inside of my winter-long truck, but it smells better than it did. It's like a mix of that and laundry soap. So yeah, we'll just get everything put back together. And this Brutus wants to be in the shot. He's like, you're leaving me out, homie. Put me in the shot. Sheesh. Yeah. Just do everything as I find it. Good old Broncos blanket will be my backup blanket now. I'll keep this one under the bed or use it as an extra pillow when I'm sitting up. Oh, there's the sunshine. You know what that means? You gotta get them sunglasses on. Ha! I don't know if I should have washed my pillows too. They ain't that bad. All right, this stuff out of the way here. Yes, and this is pretty much my sleeping bag for summer. It's thick enough to where I can double layer it on like chillier times. And no matter how hot it is in the day, it's still gonna get fairly chilly at night, so that's why I'm gonna keep an extra blanket. So yeah, now all I got's left to do is to put the mattress liner on the mattress. Smells so much better in here after doing all this today. It's gonna be quite a pleasure my next sleep in here. This sheet is for a twin mattress, but mattress is obviously a little bit smaller than a twin. Sorry about that, Brutus. Oh, it works great. You can see there's lots of extra sag on there. So I'll try to tuck all that sag on this other side here so it's not hanging over. Should have brought my dang old pillows up here while I was at it. Oh yeah. So the spare blanket I'll just keep right here. Usually there I keep my extra like jackets and stuff. Same with my sweatpants, I'll put those there. During the summer I will not have all the extra stuff in here that I usually have, so that's one nice thing. Here, Brutus, test out the nice clean bed setup. And got my blankie here. Yeah. We done got her done. Yeah. Huh. And I want to test it out because it's all nice and clean now. Oh yeah. Once you get that stench in here from camping, it's hard to get rid of it. So I can still slightly smell it, but it doesn't smell like, it's not a horrible smell. Definitely smells like I've done like 30 trips in here. It's hard to explain, but yeah. Now I'm super stoked and looking forward to my next trip. So I can straighten this light out while I'm here. I guess I don't even need these up here anymore. That was just some Velcro I had on the blackout back window material. Because I used to keep it up all the time and I would just stick it to the roof up here, but it's so easy to peel on and off that I just have it down here now somewhere. All right, y'all, so before we say our final goodbyes, I have a little sticker I need to put up on this truck. Yeah. Oh man, you can't get all the dirt off, just spit on it. There we go. Like, High Plains Camper, did you just spit on your rig? I sure did, I'll tell you what. Anyways, yes, I have a channel decal here to put on the rig. So I think I'm going to do just that right here, right now for y'all. That is perfect. Once you stick it, you can't go back, so I hope that's good. And you know, I don't even use this thing as a daily, so I mean the chances that someone will actually see this and check out my channel are very slim, because I only drive this rig when I'm going on an adventure. And usually it's on a pretty slow road. Alright, for your satisfaction, let's peel this sucker off. Oh yeah. Look at that, folks. That's pretty dang sweet, I tell you what. Yeah. 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 And we got to see how it looks with the tailgate closed now. Because I'm a nerd like that. Firewood. Ha! Look at that. That's me. That's me, guys. Ha! Last thing I gotta do is get my dang old shovel back in there. Yeah. Now I will say that feels good to get my spring cleaning done on the rig here. Now it's ready for a warm season full of awesome adventures. Before you know it, it'll be fall again. That's always my favorite time of year because it starts getting cold and then you got the winter to look forward to. Now that I've been doing it almost for all 4 seasons at this point, my favorite is definitely the winter, just because it gets dark at, you know, 4:35 and you have so much time, you know, for fire. Then you can go chill in the truck the rest of the night. But you know, any time of the year is a great time to go camping, so I'll be doing that. If you guys like this spring cleaning of the rig, be sure to go check out some of my camping adventures. I think we'll go ahead and end it off here. So as always, you wear your seatbelts, all right? You wear those seatbelts. They could save your life. Rah! You be good to yourselves. You be good to each other. And y'all take care. Okay? You take care. And I will see you on my next High Plains truck camping adventure. Ha! All right. Goodbye. Goodbye.